Benny the brave bear finds his way home. Benny was a small brown bear with big, curious eyes. He loved exploring the forest, chasing butterflies and sniffing wildflowers. But one day he wandered too far from his cozy cave. Benny looked around and realized the trees all looked the same. The cave was nowhere to be seen. "Oh no," he whispered, "I'm lost." But Benny was brave. He took a deep breath and said, "I can find my way home." A little bluebird landed on a branch. "Cheer up, Benny. Follow the river. It might lead you back." Benny thanked the bird and started walking beside the sparkling water. The river soon split into two directions. Benny didn't know which way to go. Just then, a wise old turtle popped out of the water. "Choose the path with the tall pine trees," the turtle said kindly. Benny walked through tall pine trees that smelled fresh and sweet. But suddenly, rustle, rustle, a fox appeared. Benny's heart raced, but he remembered. Brave bears stay calm. The fox grinned. "Go left if you want to find home." But Benny thought carefully. Foxes love tricks. He decided to go right instead. Darkness fell. Benny felt scared, but then he saw the stars. Mama always said the Big Dipper points to home, he remembered. He followed the sparkling pattern in the sky. Fireflies lit up the path like tiny lanterns. Benny followed their glowing dance, feeling less alone. "Thank you, little lights," he whispered. At last, Benny smelled something warm and comforting. Honey and berries. "That's near my cave," he shouted with joy, running faster and faster. Benny finally saw his cozy cave, and Mama Bear waiting at the door. He hugged her tight. "I was lost, but I was brave." Mama Bear smiled, and brave bears always find their way home. The end.